Hi, my name is Rajshree and I'm a soft skills and behavioral trainer with a leading software development organization. I joined NLP with the intention of learning how I can better my skills in the field of training. Also, I want to learn about life coaching not just for myself but to pursue it as a profession that I can do along with training. I have unfulfilled dreams which NLP has now helped me accomplish or is in the process of helping me accomplish those dreams. The entire journey with Global NLP Organization has been a wonderful one in terms of learning and the amount of takeaways I have. The reasons being how the modules were chunked out. There were small bite-sized sessions that made it easy for me to absorb even if I didn't have any background about NLP. Additionally, the trainer, that is Sandeep, has made sure that we all have first-hand experience at the various concepts we talk about. So it's not just a concept, but it's a skill we take away with us. With those things, I'd like to sum up my experience with the Global NLP Organization. Have good learning.